Welcome back to Power BI Helpline YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to explore how we can flip the calendar from calendar year to a fiscal year without impacting the time intelligence calculations. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for all such interesting topics in Power BI. With that, let's check it out. This is a matrix visual, and we have here two measures for total amount and same period last year. We want to create here a toggle button to switch between year calendar and fiscal calendar without impacting the time intelligence calculations. First of all, we are going to add fiscal month and year in our date table, and then with help of two field parameters and one custom table we will enable this functionality in our report. In this example, we are considering fiscal year from April 1st to March 31st. And it means month numbers 1, 2, and 3 will be considered as month numbers 10, 11, and 12 for the financial year. And year, for these 3 months, will be previous year as financial year. So let's create the required columns. Month name for the fiscal year will be same, but it need to be sorted by fiscal year month number. Let's now verify if all new calculated columns are showing results as expected. Since our fiscal year is from April 1st to March 31st, we can see that this January 2013 of calendar year is corresponding to the 10th month of financial year 2012. Let's now create two field parameters for month and years. Month parameter will include calendar month and the fiscal month, while year parameter will include calendar year and fiscal year. Since we need a slicer, which will toggle between fiscal year and calendar year, and at the same time it should handle the fiscal and calendar months order, we are now creating a custom table with two columns, calendar type and order. This order column will be connected with order columns of our month and year parameter, which we just created. As explained, here you can see filtering 0 from year and month parameters will enable the year calendar, and filtering 1 will enable fiscal calendar. We are now almost done with our setup, and now we are going to create the required slicer. and we will then replace the row and column of the matrix with month and year parameter. And here we go, we have now enabled the required functionality. Let's now verify this. And yes, this is working as expected. We can see now, if we click on FY calendar, our matrix rows are showing April as first month, and March as the last month of the fiscal year. We also notice that, year 2012 has been added in columns, which is fiscal year for Jan, February and March 2013 calendar year. Our time intelligence function is also calculating the correct same period last year. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more such interesting solutions in Power BI.